guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to youth to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right guys, I am here today to talk to you about some new Kiss products that I am trying out. This is a second impression and first impression. First impression on the lashes. These are called My Lashes But Better. They are super light. I can't remember the price, but I'll put the price on the screen of the lashes and the lash liner. The lash liner is so innovative. Like, where have I been? Why didn't I think of this? This is like the best idea ever. So the lash liner is here, and I have obviously had the lashes on. The lashes are My Lash But Better, and the style I have is KMBB02. Girl, that is really long. So I'll look on the receipt and I'll put the name here of the name of these lashes. These are so natural looking. They're not, I usually like an over the top lash, and my favorite lashes are from Walmart. They're the Salon Perfect lashes, and I wore them. If you haven't seen my previous video, after you watch this one, go and check that one out. But I wore those Salon Perfect lashes with this Kiss lash glue. Works with all kinds of lashes, but I definitely think if I can find these in store, I will be purchasing these as well because they were inexpensive. And yeah, these are just, all right, let me just let y'all get into the demo. Side, zilch makeup on, nothing on my eyelids except for just some face cream. So I'm gonna try to kind of get that off of there. This should be super quick. I have tried this glue once before. I've never tried these lashes, so we shall see. But this glue did work with applying it with eyeliner already on, but I wanted to show you guys the correct way to do it. And usually sometimes some lashes, they have like a thick band. That band is pretty thin and pretty clear. I usually go like this on my lashes just so they aren't straight across. Just go like that to kind of bend it where my eye has the obviously oval shape. So I'm gonna leave this right here, and I'm gonna take the felt tip and just do, hopefully this is like clear as possible, and do, y'all, this is so crazy. And just do a wing liner. And watch this. This is like magic, girl. Literally just, what did I do with the tweezer? Jesus, I can't see. Take the wheel. Hopefully y'all can see. It's really, I didn't realize how hard it was applying lashes on camera. Literally, this is all you have to do, is just literally put it on your lash. I didn't put it in the right place. It should not have taken me like 30 seconds to do this, or 5 minutes. Literally, you just press it down, and girl, that is it. I didn't put the lash in the right place, but I always have trouble with the inside right here, and like, no issues. Like, sis, look at that. Literally, the lash is on. Okay. Literally, that is it. That's it, girl. That's it, girl. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna go put on the rest of my face makeup. All right, so I just zhuzhed up my face. As you can tell, I don't have the lash on this one. I still have the lash obvi on this eye. I did put a liner on top of it. I'm not going to, let's see, hopefully it's not lifting. Let's see if it, nope, it's not lifting. Okay. These lashes are super lightweight. You can't even tell that you have them on. I already have makeup, so the instructions say to do it on a clean eye like I did on this one, but I think I prefer it better with makeup on, but I just want to show you guys a wear test of how long it stays on both lashes with or without makeup. And I think the intention of them to tell you to do it on a clean eye is so you don't get gunk like eyeshadow and stuff on the little pen, because that's probably going to make it dry out faster. But I think this is an amazing invention. So I mean, I think I bought it from the Kiss website and I believe it was $9.99. I'm not sure how much it is in stores, but I know you can get it at Target and Walmart. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner again. And this eye, I'm not gonna do any additional liner. I'm just gonna go ahead and wing it out, and then I'll let you know if it's like tacky or anything. It doesn't, because I have makeup on, it's kind of making it look a little matte, and you know, this is such a great invention. Why didn't I think of this? And it does have a little bit of eyeshadow on there, but it tells you instructions on the container how to clean it. Apply the other lash. Hope you guys can see. It's much easier when you have tweezers or you're not doing it on camera. If you're just doing it in your bathroom, it'll be a lot faster. But I mean, the first time I tried it, I probably got them on in like 3 seconds. And literally that is it, sis. Like from what I can tell, the glue is a little tacky. We'll see how long it stays tacky. But I mean, if you struggle with putting on lashes, girl, this is literally the best invention. I love these lashes. They are not too much. These are super natural. I mean, obviously they're longer than my natural lashes because I don't have that. My natural lashes aren't this long or full, but these are amazing. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I am absolutely in love with these lashes and this lash glue liner. So if you guys are looking for something for the beauty lovers in your life for this Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever holiday it is you celebrate, or birthdays, definitely check out this Kiss lash glue liner. It also comes in clear. Or these My Lash But Better lashes. This is not sponsored. I'd use my own coins and I'm in love and every coin was worth it. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.